Welcome to the Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click that subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is the Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Marumo Gallants 1. My brothers, how are you?
Fine, and you, Ngobo?
Good, man. Pagania.
Yes.
What's your take on the game tonight?
No, Chiefs doesn't have a coach.
Yeah, he's gone. Yeah, he's gone.
And the only problem that I encountered today, Corey, only a translator, the assistant. And if Nabi my like
Yeah,
then Merawa translator can
go translate.
then no translator lama because assistant would by English.
How do translate or what do you mean?
Oh, I can not lo to hlalosetsa ge na ba tia language le gage na hlalosetsa gore na boring.
No, mara ke first assistant coach.
O lo motho muso.
Le second assistant coach.
Ai lo ke translate.
No.
Assistant ke lo khwanyana le.
Ke di assistant tse two.
E mongwe mo assista ka language. E mongwe mo assista ka technical. I'm telling you. Okay, for now, go back to the reality.
Reality, yeah.
Yeah, Chiefs doesn't have a coach.
Exactly, we know.
Yeah.
He's gone.
Then
And
now,
happy.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
Personally.
We are rejoicing.
And also, one of the causes of our
Watamela ka mo. I'm gonna pick you
up. Scrumptious. Yeah.
Salam tooth.
Yeah, salam tooth. I want to know if you 2 point.
Yeah.
This is how we go
So
to.
no problem with Chiefs. No problem. So number one.
Oh, we are back. Oh no.
Hey,
Okay.
no problem with Chiefs.
Like today, I'm happy. Got the result today. No, it's not a draw. This is how to from Matomo.
Yeah.
Chiefs are a draw. Nason ba palaka no mo. Agre ikori le bakor. Eh, ke ka mo sanja agre ne kora 1 le galemus. Then you kora ka 2 yeng. O tseka. There is no way gore ka hoja 2.
Yeah, palela, yeah.
Le gale sanje ka mogolo. Then Saturday. Ne? A ke tsore no boya ka Orlando or FNB.
Obviously, ke tamo. Go irang Orlando.
Okay.
Ka butsisa go di ang Orlando.
Or
You wenzani Orlando?
no, okay, fine. I can understand or sometimes you have to take something in heart.
Exactly.
Or rata team le ge o I bet. So retry le today or nyaga wina 20,000. Awa.
Oh, no nya go wina 20,000. A ga se wina sa dlalo wena.
Ke ba bantši.
O ga se wina sa dlalo.
Ba re tagile. A ba re boditse ba re tagile lo tago. Le mo go tsaka.
Eric come. Scalo. How do you feel about the game tonight?
To be honest with you, Mapoloba, I'm disappointed. We started the game very well.
Yeah.
We controlled the game. We scored 1 goal. We're at home.
Yeah.
Why must we try to control the game when we're at home? We just have to attack.
Only, yeah.
But the tempo, before we even went to half time, if you notice from the 30th minute, we started to deep. That's what killed us. I'm sorry to say this to Marumo Gallants, but there's no team there. Those people, they did nothing before they came to us. It's only today that they try to do something that they seemed like they're in the Betway Premiership.
But that team is very good. You are just
this season they are not.
No, they are. Remember, they beat Pirates. They took 1 point from Sundowns. They took 1 point from you. 5 points.
No, Sundowns.
In 3 big games.
Sundowns is there. Sundowns, they even wanted to kill their coach there.
Does that mean Chiefs is there too because of they drew?
Yes. No. To be honest, Mapoloba, thank you for coming there. If you have to be fair.
Yeah.
I didn't want to go there. We've got Mfundo.
Under 20.
Yeah. We've got Mbogas.
Aquarena.
Yeah. Yes. No. Listen. Listen to my point.
Yeah.
Listen, we've got Mbogas.
Yeah.
And
He's a,
Chiefs go for
listen. He's a national team captain.
Yeah.
They were both playing at the under 20.
Yeah.
He's proven himself. They are same age group with Vilakazi.
Yeah.
You are still trying to find your team. We as the fans, the unfortunate part is I don't understand what is it the coaches that they don't see in that boy.
Which one?
Vilakazi.
Who's Uno,
yeah.
Vilakazi. Okay, let's not go far. Last season, I just want to prove a point of something. Last season, he was selected for this Carling Black Label All Stars team.
Yeah.
He was a standard performer.
Karabir.
Your coach was in charge. He praised. He praised.
He didn't play.
Rivero.
He didn't play.
No, he even scored.
No, he didn't. He didn't.
Carling Black Label All Stars.
No, he didn't play.
All Stars.
He scored.
Free
No,
kick mfanoni.
he didn't
He
play.
scored a cracker of a free kick.
Free kick.
Maybe you mean the
Yeah,
other season, not last season.
Yeah, not last season.
Last season he didn't play.
Last season.
He didn't play last season.
Okay, well, I will try it. We'll come back.
Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch. Siwin nagir. Then wa ba le team le All Stars.
Ke magesi. Nako badlala magesi. Azangadlala Vilakazi.
Kana kwala re dlala le
Stellenbosch.
Yeah, ka Stellenbosch.
Okay.
At a free kick. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll try it.
Yeah.
Then
Ake editing next.
I'm very So yeah. So listen, Mapolo. What I'm trying to show you, the young man is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are some people. Vilakazi is not supposed to be there at under 20. I know that people who are calling that take your stars to under 20 so that they can qualify and all that. Vilakazi has proven is in the first team. Let Vilakazi give another young important player a chance to shine there so that other teams can see him. You understand?
You mean
so,
where, at Chiefs or at under
at Kosafa, that under 20. Vilakazi is already a first team player. Now it's about us as Kaizer Chiefs to give him a chance.
But remember that that's not Kosafa, it's World Cup.
Yeah,
It's a big stage.
it's a big stage at under 20.
And it's supposed
Now-
to go
now-
Mbogas.
Now, I know Mbogas.
Mbogas Abagane.
No, which is right.
You go Bruce, or this is the very same competition. If they qualify, Mbogas is still going to World Cup again.
Yeah, mara like Netlamela Mutome no.
Mbogas
Remember AFCON,
is a bull.
but we know AFCON.
Mbogas is a bull.
Your bull didn't go there. Ana medal.
Ke bana ba banyane ba le Mbogas is a bull.
Let me tell you. All right, Mapolo, yes. Mbogas, medal and all that, but if we are to be fair,
Mbogas doesn't qualify.
they
to
can
play
go and
for-
get injured at that under 20.
Yeah.
We still have Bafana to come. Back to Vilakazi. He was supposed to be here.
Yeah.
Like how we are playing Mapolova, it shows that we don't still have our first 11, which is embarrassing.
Yeah.
We say cooking. It's embarrassing because like now, Silva. For now, I'm happy. We signed a player who came to do his job. I'm talking about Silva. He played 2 games, he scored. You as a coach or you as a supporting or assisting coach, you come today as a caretaker coach.
You put him on the bench.
You put him on the bench. You don't even play him.
You put
You understand?
our playmaker on the bench.
And then
Doesn't have a
now
coach.
you've got Mayo today. If you have to be fair, Mayo is rigged. He hasn't played in a long time. He scored a goal.
You check him out.
Now for you, why don't, as a coach or as a coach, why don't they give him motivation that I know you are not 100%, but I like what you are doing. Mfana Giti, Ghana the whole game. You take me out. Already you are giving me that thing that you really don't believe in.
And next game he will be put on the bench.
Aslam.
It's possible. The next game he might even not on the bench. He might not even make it at the 18-man squad.
Exactly.
That's the boring thing. Because hence I'm saying we are not consistent. Let's be fair.
Yeah.
Let's have our first 11. Let's have our super subs.
Perfect. Let's
Yes,
continue. Thanks, my brother.
Thanks, my brother.
I need to have
For your soccer updates,
visit www.2010sharpi.com.